Learn and practice common essential English sentences for beginners. My mom is very beautiful. My mom is very beautiful. He is my class teacher. He is my class teacher. The apple is green. The apple is green. She smiles beautifully. She smiles beautifully. The doll is cute. The doll is cute. The basket is full. The basket is full. I like to lick ice cream. I like to lick ice cream. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. I like to play basketball. I like to play basketball. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The ice cream is cold. The ice cream is cold. The boy is running fast. The boy is running fast. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. The car is blue. The car is blue. I like my teddy bear. I like my teddy bear. Our house is big. Our house is big. The door is open wide. The door is open wide. I see a big elephant. I see a big elephant. I bought a pair of new shoes. I bought a pair of new shoes. The table is broken. The table is broken. I am eating breakfast. I am eating breakfast. I enjoy reading alone. I enjoy reading alone. The tree is very tall. The tree is very tall. We have a small puppy. We have a small puppy. I see a big cow. I see a big cow. I have a big eraser. I have a big eraser. The textbook is yellow. The textbook is yellow. I am riding my new bike. I am riding my new bike. My mom is cooking. My mom is cooking. I like to play outside. I like to play outside. Salad is her favorite meal. Salad is her favorite meal. The crayons are colorful. The crayons are colorful. I enjoy eating pizza. I enjoy eating pizza. My teacher is tired. My teacher is tired. My brother is traveling. My brother is traveling. The boy is swimming. The boy is swimming. My bathroom is clean. My bathroom is clean. She has a big heart. She has a big heart. The boy is playing game. The boy is playing game. The girl is studying. The girl is studying. The food is yummy. The food is yummy. The plane is flying. The plane is flying. The blocks are colorful. The blocks are colorful. She's my sister. She's my sister. My friend is very nice. My friend is very nice. She's my little sister. She's my little sister. I have a new toy car. I have a new toy car. She loves eating cake. She loves eating cake. The fish is big. The fish is big. We are learning English. We are learning English. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.